Right. Good evening, guys. Very, very good evening. Can you hear me? Can you see the screen? Very good evening, Amma Lakshmi. Yes. All right, guys. Very, very good evening. Very, very good evening. You can hear me. You can see the screen. All right. So let us start our session here today. So, guys, before starting our session, let us try to have a very, very small and a quick recap of the concept which we had covered in our yesterday's class. So, guys, yesterday we have started discussing about arrays concept. Yes, we had covered arrays concept, and we have seen how to take, like, not yesterday, from almost like 3 to 4 days onwards we've been discussing about arrays only, like how to create an array, how to declare an array, how to instantiate an array, what are the different ways to create an array, what is a single dimensional array, multi-dimensional array, and after that how to pass the elements into the array and how to retrieve the elements from the array. What are the different logics which we need to use? All those particular concepts we had covered in our, like, all these 3 to 4 days of our session, guys. And kindly please do remember whatever the important key points which we discussed day before yesterday. So those are literally very, very important, guys. Literally very, very important. Okay, like at the time of array declaration, we should not be giving the size. At the time of array instantiation, 100% we are supposed to give the size. Like size of the array, we should not be giving any negative values. We can go with int, byte, short, char. I'm speaking about the size, and the maximum size of an array can be the maximum size of an int. We can give the size of an array as 0 also, but negative values we can't be giving as size of an array. All these particular concepts we had covered, guys. And yesterday we have seen some logical programmings in arrays, and I believe I have given you some tasks also. I hope you have cleared those tasks, guys. Yes. All right. Yeah, Chandraban, fine. All right, guys. Now let us try to have an idea about strings. Guys, strings. Okay. Just let me try to keep my side heading as Java strings. Okay. Now, right. Now, guys, basically, what is a string? String means it accepts group of characters. That's it. Very, very simple. What is a string? String accepts group of characters, not more than that. Okay. Now, guys, I'm going to ask you a small question. If we want to take number, okay, for example, let me try to have void method 1 like this. Now I want to perform addition operation in this particular method. Okay, so I cannot take 10 plus 20. Am I right or wrong? Can I take like this, 10 plus 20? No, I cannot take. Why I cannot take like that? I need to specify the data type. Am I right or wrong? Which data types I can use? Which data types I can use? Only int? Only int? Come on. Int, byte, short, long. If we want to decimal, we can go with float and double also. Am I right or wrong? Yes. So all these are integral data types. Like if I want to take a number, I can take int, I can take byte, I can take short, I can take long, I can take float, I can take double. Basing upon my requirement, I'll be trying to take a specific data type. Am I right or wrong? Now, when you are speaking about a string, guys, we can create string by using three classes: string class, string buffer class, string builder class. String class, string buffer class, and string builder class. Again, I'm saying you, in Java, we can create strings by using how many classes? In Java, we can create strings by using how many classes? How many classes? Three classes. Exactly. Three classes. What are those? By using string class, by using string buffer class, and by using string builder class. Okay. I hope it's clear, guys, for everyone. Right? Right. Okay. Now, again, one more time I'm saying you, please don't get confused. Okay. String is a predefined class. String buffer is also a predefined class. Like that, string builder is also a predefined class. Now, with the help of string class, we can create strings. With the help of string buffer also, we can create strings. And of course, with the help of string builder also, we can create strings. Now, today, we are, not all these are not child classes for string. Come on, yaar. Mukesh, what you are listening? Am I saying that these are child classes for string class? Did I use the word child class? No, then why you are using the word child class? Please don't get confused, buddy. Please don't get confused. Guys, again, I'm saying you, by using string class, we can create strings. By using string buffer class, we can create strings. By using string builder class, we can create strings. Okay, as simple as this. Sir, why we are having three classes? Guys, for example, if I want to take a number, I can use int, byte, short, long. Am I right or wrong? Basing upon my requirement, I'll be taking that here. In the same manner, here also string will be having some features, string buffer will be having some features, and obviously string builder will be having some features. Now today we will be trying to have an idea about string class. Okay, are you understanding me, guys? Today we are going to have an idea about string class. Now point number one, please observe here. Strings which were created by using string class are immutable. This is the first point which you need to remember. Strings. What do you mean by strings? What do you mean by strings? Exactly. String means group of characters, right? So strings which were collected by using string class are immutable. Guys, immutability is different. Constant is different. What is immutability? What is constant? Just today only you will be able to understand that. Okay, so kindly please don't get confused between immutability and constant. I'll let you know what is immutability. Okay, now point number two. Always string data should be present inside. Always string data should be present inside what? What? You already know. You already know. I already told that point. Always, exactly. Always string data should be present inside double quotes. Always string data should be present inside double quotes. I already told you that, right? Okay. Now, point number three. Point number three. Okay, we'll do one thing, guys. First, let me try to show you how to create these strings. Okay, did you remember in how many ways we have created an array? In how many ways we have created an array? Like 4 ways, right? We have created an array in 4 ways. Just like that, strings also, we can create strings in 4 ways. What are those? First way, string S1 equal to Java. This is first way. String S2 equal to new string Java. This is second way of creating a string. Third way, when you're speaking about a third way, let me try to have a character array equal to character array, guys. Now, this is a character array. Inside this character array, I am having some characters like this. Now, this is J, character here, J, A, V, A, character. Can I take a character array like this? Can I take a character array like this? Yeah, of course. Of course, I can take a character array like this. Now, please observe here, string S3 equal to new string. I'll be trying to pass. ARR like this. ARR like this. And finally, one more way, fourth way, I'll be going with fourth way, that is string S4 equal to new string S4 equal to new string ARR comma 1 comma 2. Now this ARR is this character array, by the way. Okay. Now 4 ways. These are the 4 ways, I mean most commonly used ways to create an array. I mean to create a string. I'm sorry, to create a string. Now first, if we want to, like if you are trying to print S1, what is our expected output? Java. Like printing S1, our expected output is Java. If you are trying to print S2, our expected output is Java. S3, our expected output is Java. What about S4? Sorry. What about S4? Guys, are you understanding the scenario here? Are you understanding? Exactly. That is what I want. What do you think, like 1 and 2? Shall we check? Shall we check this? Okay. Let me create a class. Okay, I'm having a method. Now please observe here. Let me try to create string S1 equal to Java, string S1 equal to Java like this. First way. After that, string S2 equal to new string, and here I'm going with Java. After that, character array. I said we are supposed to take a character array equal to, I'm trying to pass a characters like J, A, V, A, like this characters. And now string S3 equal to new string, and here I'm passing my character array as a parameter, and after that string s4 equal to new string, and here I'm going with arr comma 1 comma 2 like this. Now my question is, if I'm trying to print, s1, okay, s1 plus, sorry, s1 plus s1, in the same manner I want to go with s2, s3, s3, s4. Here also I'll be going with s2, s3, and s4 like this. S4 like this. Okay. Now let me go to my main method. Now inside my main method, I'm trying to create an object, new class A dot. Okay, let me have a reference, please. Let me have a reference equal to AOBJ belongs to class A. Now after that AOBJ dot method one. I'm trying to call my method one. Let me try to keep this in comment. S4 in comment. So if I'm trying to execute my program, I'm pretty much damn sure you know the outputs of S1, S2, and S3. Yes? Am I right or wrong? You know the outputs of S1, S2, and S3. Yes, yes. Now, what is the output of S4? Okay, come on. Any ideas, guys? Any ideas? Again, I am saying you ARR is the name of the character array, and you need to figure out what is this 1 and what is this 2. Right. Guys, 1 is the index position from where you need to start. 1 is the index position. 2 means from this index position onwards, totally 2 characters. From this index position onwards, you need to get 2 characters. Okay, tell me which character is present at first index position? Which character is present at first index position? A. From here, two characters. Okay, 1 and 2 characters. Guys, this is not the index position. Are you understanding me? This is not the index position. 2 is not the index position. 2 is number of characters. How many number of characters you want? 2 means how many number of characters you want. Okay, this is not the index position. 1 is index position. Right click, run as Java application, and sorry, let me try to remove this from the comment, and right click, run as Java application. I'll be able to get my output as AV. Am I clear with that? For example, if I want to get VA, can you please tell me what numbers I need to write here? I want to get V and A. V and A. Guys, most of the people are wrong. Most of the people are wrong. Again, I am saying you. 2 is not the index position. How many characters I want to add? For example, if I want V and A, V is present from which, at which index position? V is present at which index position? 2. Okay, just go 2. From here, how many characters you need? 2 characters. Okay, that's it. This is 1 and this is 2. 2 characters. Right click, let me save it. Right click, run as Java application. VA. Am I clear with this? Am I clear with this? For example, if I want to get AVA, if I want to get AVA, tell me what I need to write. Right. Now that is good. That is good. That is good. That is good. Nice. If I want to get AVA, I should be going with 1. Let me go with like 3. Right click, run as Java application. I'll be getting my output as AVA like this. That is good, guys. That is good. Okay. So this is the way how we are supposed to create, and like when we are speaking about strings, these are most common ways of creating a strings. Now, guys, let us try to discuss about what is this immutable word. What is this immutable? What do you mean by immutable? Okay, I understand. Let us try to discuss about this immutable word. Guys, the very first point which you need to remember is immutable is different, constant is different. Okay, immutability is different, constant is different. So what is actually this immutability concept? Once we have created a string object, you cannot modify the object. Okay, just let me try to write it like a small note point like this. immutable, immutable object. Let me try to write it like a immutable object. So what is actually this immutable object? What is actually this immutable object? Let me try to write it like a small note point. In strings, if we are, okay, just a second, sorry. If we are creating strings by using string class, those string objects are immutable. Immutability means once we have created a string object, we cannot modify the same object. If we are trying to modify that object, a new string object will be created. Existing object will not be changed. That's it. Guys, don't worry. You will be understanding. Trust me with this. Not at all a trouble. Okay. Trust me with this. Now, this is actually like a small note point. This is like a small note point which you need to remember. Immutability concept. Now, let us try to understand what is this immutability concept. Okay. Now, please observe. Let me try to take one more method. Void method 2. Okay, guys, please listen to this. Now, just let me try to have, I'm trying to create one more string. I mean, new string s equal to Java like this. Okay, string s equal to Java. Now, system.out.println, if I'm trying to print s value, s value plus yes. Okay, now if I'm trying to call my method aobj dot method 2, I'm just calling only method 2, by the way. I'm keeping method 1 in comment. Okay, right click, run as Java application. I'll be getting my output, that is S value is Java. That is good. That is good. No problem. Now, guys, if I want to add two strings, I repeat, if I want to add two strings, I will be using concat method. What is the method? Tell me what is the method. Just tell me the method name. Method name. Concat. Concat method. Where is this concat method present? Where is this concat method present? Concat method is present in string class. Concat method is present in string class. Okay. So if I want to call a method present in a class, how can I call that method? With the help of that class reference. Am I right or wrong? Yes. Okay. For example, guys, please observe here. Please observe here. System.out.println. System.out.println. Yes dot concat. Yes dot concat is AWS. Awesome. Yes dot concat is awesome. Now, if I execute my program, here what is my S value, guys? What is my S value? Java. Here what is my output? Here what is my output? I am trying to concat. Yes, what is S value? Java with one more string. So here my output will be Java is awesome. Let me execute. Right click, run as Java application. See, Java is awesome. Sir, but you said that strings which were created by using string class are immutable. But why the value has changed? Okay, let me do one thing. System.out.println. Yes value after concat, after concatenation. After concatenation plus yes. Now this is yes value before concatenation. Before concatenation plus yes. Guys, are you understanding me? Are you getting me, guys? This is before concatenation and this is after concatenation. Let us check. Right click, run as Java application. Shall I reveal? Shall I reveal? Is S value changed? Is S value changed? No, S value did not change. Sir, then how we are getting Java is awesome here? Okay, guys, that is exactly immutability concept. Let me explain you. Let me explain you. For example, guys, for example, please concentrate. Please concentrate here correctly, guys. Okay. For example, let us think that you are having a heap memory. Okay. This is heap memory. Let us think that you are having a heap memory. Now we are having, we are creating a string. Okay. String yes equal to Java. Like that. Okay, so whenever you are creating a string, guys, I told you string is an object. It's a class, right? It's a class. Whenever it is a class, obviously, whenever you are creating data, that would refer an object. Now, Java will be created inside the heap memory. Java will be created inside the heap memory. An object will be created inside the heap memory, and for this object you will be having some address location, something like 412 and yes is referring to what? Yes is referring to 412. Am I right or wrong? Tell me guys. Up to now, is it clear for everyone? Up to now, is it clear for everyone? I need response. I need response. I need response. Right, right. Parvesh, 412 is just like a memory location here. Just remember, like, just think like 412 is a memory location. That's it. Not more than that. Okay. Now, whenever we are using concat method, whenever we are using this yes.concat. Okay. So what we are doing here, we are trying to use yes.concat concat. We are concatenating with is AWSOME awesome like this. Am I right? Okay. Now tell me. Is awesome is a string. Am I right or wrong? It is a string. You are adding this string with yes. What is S value? Tell me, what is S value? S value is Java. Okay. JAVA Java and is AWSOME awesome. This is entirely a new object. Completely a new object. So let us think that the address location is 452. Address location is 452. Now my question is, are you concatenating? Like whenever you're trying to modify a string, is modification happening for the old object or entirely a new object is getting created? Tell me, is modifications happening for the old object or new object? I mean, entirely a new object is getting created. Exactly. Now, can you please read this immutability object definition for me? Please read it slowly. If we are creating strings by using string class, those string objects are immutable. Okay, what do you mean by that? Immutability means once we have created a string object, we cannot modify the same object. If you are trying to modify that object, a new string object will be created. Existing object will not be changed. Did you understand the concept of immutability, guys? Exactly. So that is the only reason, guys, yes is pointing towards 412 or 852. Yes is always pointing towards 412. Yes is always pointed towards 412, right? Exactly. So that is the only reason here also we will be getting our output as Java. For example, guys, let me do one thing. I am keeping line number 25 in comment. Now, please observe here. Yes is equal to yes dot concat is awesome. Yes is equal to yes dot concat is awesome. Now if I print yes, what is my output, guys? What is my output right now? Here, if I'm trying to write, yes equal to yes dot concat is awesome. Now simply what I'm trying to do, I am removing this reference for 412 means I am removing this reference. Yes will not be pointed to 412. Now yes is pointed towards 852. So my output will be Java is awesome. Right click, run as Java application. I'll be getting my output as Java is awesome. Am I clear with this, guys? Please respond in the chat for me. Please respond in the chat for me. That is great. That is literally great. Good. Guys, do me a favor. Do me a favor. Can you please have this program for me? Please have this program for me. After that, we will be discussing very important interview point of view question. Please have this. Please first have this program for me, please. Go ahead. Pooja, wait. Guys, please have this program first. Ravi, we can do that. We can do that. Srikanth, not right now. At exception handling, we'll be discussing, not right now. Okay. Please wait for it. Right. Guys, again, I am saying you kindly please don't get confused with immutability concept and constant. That is different. This is different. Okay. And Maliswari, you need to wait for the topic. Amma. Is the topic completed? Is string concept completed, Maliswari? Tell me, respond. Right. So, Gaurav, what is the output for that particular method which you have written? What is the output you are getting for the two cases? For the two cases, what is the output you are getting? Yeah, obviously. You will be getting S equal to Java for one case. You will be getting Java in another case. You will be getting Oracle. Obviously, how it is getting contradictory? See, that is what. Please don't get confused with immutability concept. That is exactly what I'm trying to say. You are not changing the old object. Okay. Java is like that only. Whenever you are trying to create a new string Oracle, a new string object will be created inside the heap memory. Java will be like that only. It will be destroyed by the garbage collector. Did you got it, Gaurav? Mahesh, you need to log in on time, buddy. You need to log in on time. No, no. Variable is same, but different objects are there. S is same. At one point, S is referring towards Java. At another point, S is referring towards Oracle. Two objects are there. Did you got it? Exactly. See, I gave you an example here, right? At line number 23, S is referring towards Java. At line number 26, S is referring towards Java is awesome. So you are not changing the old object. Old object will be like that only. Existing object will be like that only. That is actually immutability concept. S is a reference. Alpesh, S is a reference. All right, guys. Is it completed? Is it completed? Okay. 1 minute, 1 minute, just 1 minute. Wait for the topic, Alpesh. Wait for the topic. Okay. Now, Alpesh, tell me, what is this? Alpesh, tell me, what is this? This one. I'm not asking what is this box. I'm not asking what is this box. What is this? It's a string object. It is a string object. Inside the heap memory, what will be stored? Inside the heap memory, what will be stored? Every Java class objects will be stored. Am I right? Exactly. Did you got an idea? All right. All right. All right. Now, guys, let me try to move on with the very important interview point of view question. Just let me go with save it. This is part one. Part one. Okay. Save it. Close it. I'm removing this. I'm removing this. Now, there is this very important interview point of view question, guys. That is right now I'm having two cases. String S1 equal to Java. Okay. One more case is string S2 equal to new string Java. I'm having two cases. This is case one. This is case one. And this is case two. Case two. Okay. Two cases. Case one and case two. Guys, trust me when I say this. This is one of the most popular interview point of view question. Trust me when I say this. Very popular interview point of view question. What is the difference between case one and case two? Okay. Now you will be able to answer this question just in a matter of 15 minutes. 15 minutes. I want your complete concentration for 15 minutes. Can I expect that? Can I expect that, guys? Please. Not more than 15-20 minutes. That's it. Not more than that. Okay. So please concentrate correctly. Please concentrate correctly. Now, let me try to have a memory. Okay. Let us think that this is, heap memory. Okay. This is heap memory. Heap memory. Now, guys, at the time of JVM, when I explained you about JVM, I told you inside JVM, there is one more special memory. Did you remember that? Inside the JVM, there is one more special memory which is allocated only for string class objects. I told you. Did you remember that? Exactly. And that memory is SCP. What do you mean by SCP? String constant pool. SCP. SCP. String constant pool memory. I hope you remember this word. Did you remember this word, guys? Yes, SCP. Now, so heap memory. Inside the heap memory, we are having a special memory known as SCP. Okay. Now, guys, what I'm going to do here, right now, I'll be trying to create some objects. Okay. I'll be trying to create some string objects. Just a second. Okay. Now, what? Okay. Now, just please observe the code, guys. Just observe the code. Okay. I'm trying to create string. Just observe string S1 equal to Java. String S1 equal to Java, like that. Now, tell me one thing. Is there any object present inside string constant pool with Java? Is there any object present here? As of now, just for an example purpose. Is there any object present inside SCP with Java? No, there is no object present. So what will be happening? An object will be created inside the SCP. An object will be created like Java. An object will be created. This is Java. Okay. Now let us think that for our understanding purpose, the address location is something like 125, and S1 will be pointing towards this 125 like this. Up to now, is it clear, guys, for everyone? Okay, that is great. That is great. Now I'm trying to create one more string. String S2 equal to Java like this. String S2 equal to Java like this. Okay, just a second. Let me hide my. Okay, now this is better. This is better. Right. String S2 equal to Java. Now tell me one thing, guys. Is Java object already available inside the string constant pool? Is it available or not? Yes, it is already available. And you are trying to create one more object, right? Already it is available. Same object is available. So no new object will be created. S2 will be pointed towards this 125. No new object will be created. S2 will directly point towards 125. For example, if I am trying to create one more string S3 equal to, let me go with Python Python. Let me go with Python. Now tell me, what is your opinion? An object will be created or not? An object will be created or not? That is very good. That is very good. 100% it will be created. Where it will be created? Where? In which memory it will be created? I'm having two memories. Heap memory and SCP. In which memory? SCP. Very good. So let me try to create an object, that is Python Python. An object is created like Python, and now let us try to have an address location for this Python. Any address location, something like 852, and S3 will be pointed towards this 852. Am I clear with this, guys? Am I clear with this? Now, very good. Let us come to the second case. Okay, now here let me try to create a string S4 equal to new string S4 equal to new string, and here I'm going with Java. New string Java. Okay. Now, please observe here. Please observe here. An object will be created inside the heap memory. An object will be created inside the heap memory, that is Java. Let us think that the address location is something like 753 like this. 753 like this. Are you understanding me, guys? Please respond in the chat. Please respond in the chat. Just a second. Just a second. Just a second. Okay. Okay, guys. Now, so here, whenever you are creating like a string, whenever you are creating a string by using new keyword, an object will be created inside the heap memory. An object will be created inside the heap memory, and 753 like S4 will be pointed towards this 753 like this. Now let me try to create one more string. String S5 equal to new string Java. New string Java. Now what is your opinion, guys? An object will be created or same location will be pointed to S5. Do you know what, guys? An object will be created. A new object will be created. A new object will be created. You are using new keyword, guys. A new object will be created. Now, if you are using like for this new object, let us try to have an address location like 749 and S5 will be pointed towards this 749 like this. Guys, whenever you are using new keyword, 100% a new object will be created inside the heap memory. Now, let us try to go with one more time. String S6 equal to new string, and here I'm trying to go with CSS guys, CSS. Okay, CSS, or else let me go with like JavaScript, Java script, JavaScript. Okay, now what will be happening, guys, please concentrate correctly. This will be very interesting, trust me. Now what will be happening, a new object will be created inside the heap memory, Java script, JavaScript. As a matter of fact, two objects will be created. One will be present inside heap memory and another will be present inside SCP. Let us think that the object present inside the SCP is having address location as 355 and the object present inside the heap memory is having some address location as 965. Now S6 will be pointing towards the object present inside heap memory, not for the object which is present inside the SCP. For example, tell me one thing, guys. Tell me one thing. If I'm trying to create an object, if I'm trying to create string S7 equal to Java script, JavaScript. Now tell me, an object will be created or not? An object will be created or not? Exactly. An object will not be created, and S7 will point towards this 355. Now, guys, listen to me. Listen, guys, listen. Case 1 and case 2. What is the difference between case 1 and case 2? Please listen, guys. Are you listening? Conclusion. Please listen. Case 1. If you are creating a string by using this literal, that is string S1 equal to Java, only one object will be created. Only one object is supposed to create. Only one object is supposed to create. Where it is supposed to create? Where it is supposed to create? Inside the string constant pool. When it will create? If there is no duplicate element present inside the SCP. Here, an important point which you need to remember is, in string constant pool, there is no chance of duplicate elements. Just let me try to write it like a small point here. In string constant pool memory, there is no chance of duplicate objects. This is very important point which you need to remember. In string constant pool, there is no chance of duplicate elements. So whenever you are trying to create string, that is string S1 equal to Java, guys, please tell me, if you are creating string S1 equal to Java, where the object will be created? Where the object will be created? Inside the SCP. When it will be created? When it will be created? Only if there is no duplicate elements. Then only it will be created. Are you understanding me? I hope it's clear, guys. Ma Pranita, is it done, Tali? Is it done, Pranita? So guys, once again I am saying you, if we are creating string by using case 1 by this manner, only one object is supposed to create, that too inside the SCP, and that object will be created only if no duplicates are available. Now, when you are going with case 2, when we are going with case 2, that is, if you are using this new keyword, then what will be happening, guys? If you are trying to create a string by second manner, that is string S2 equal to new string Java, two objects are supposed to create. How many objects are supposed to create? Guys, please tell me. How many objects are supposed to create? Two objects. Two objects. One object should be present inside the heap memory, and one object should be present inside the SCP. One object should be present inside the heap memory, and one object should be present inside the SCP. Sir, but whenever creating S4, you have created only one object. Guys, in SCP, already Java is there. In SCP, already Java is there. In string constant pool, there is no chance of duplicate elements. Am I clear with this? Am I clear with this? That is the reason only one object is created inside the heap memory. And S5. S5. Sir, string S5 equal to new string Java. Sir, you have created one more string. Yeah, guys, in heap memory, there is a chance of duplicate elements. No problem. Restriction is there only for what? SCP. We are having restriction only for SCP, not for heap memory. So an object will be created, pretty much damn sure it will be created inside the heap memory. And S5 always will be pointed towards the object which is present inside the heap memory. Sir, for S6 you have created two objects. Yeah, that is exactly what I'm saying, buddy. When you are creating like a string by using new keyword, how many objects are supposed to get created? How many objects are supposed to get created? Two objects. Two objects. One inside the heap memory and another inside the SCP. In SCP, there is no JavaScript object. So that is the reason I have created again. Sir, then where? I mean, S6 will point towards SCP object or heap memory. Guys, always S6 will be pointed towards the object which is present inside the heap memory. Inside the heap memory. Okay. Am I clear with this, guys? Guys, please tell me, is it clear for everyone? That is great. That is great. That is literally great. So guys, I'll be trying to upload these notes in our Google Classroom. Theoretical notes, I'll be trying to upload it in the Google Classroom. Okay. So what I want you to do is, please go through that notes before coming to tomorrow's class. Tomorrow, we'll be trying to discuss about string class methods. String class methods. Trust me, tomorrow will be very, very interesting. And Mahesh, you're asking, sir, if S7 is not created, then what happens in SCP JavaScript? Mahesh, this JavaScript object will be destroyed, not by the garbage collector. Garbage collector also will not be able to access the string constant pool. All the unused or unreferenced objects which were present inside this SCP will be destroyed whenever you are shutting down your JVM. So basically, this object will be destroyed if S7 is not there. Okay, Mahesh? I hope it's clear, guys, for everyone. Right? Right. So guys, that's it. That's it for today. That's it for today. And kindly, please don't miss tomorrow's class. Please don't miss tomorrow's class. Trust me. Trust me, guys. Please don't miss tomorrow's class. Okay? Is it clear, guys, for everyone? All right, guys. All right. So that's it, guys. That's it for today. Thank you, guys. Thank you for listening. And please, one more time, I am saying you don't miss tomorrow's class. Please don't miss tomorrow's class. Okay. All right. Thank you, guys. Ravi, you need to do that. You need to do that, Ravi. Work on that. Why you are getting that exception? You need to work on that. If I say, what is the use? Are you having any exception? No, I don't think you are having any exception. Okay, let me check this. Okay, Boolean result. Okay, nums dot length is not equal to 0. First element. No, no, no. Ravi, that is not correct. That is not correct. That is not correct. You have misunderstood the question. What is my question? You know, first element and last element is same. That is not the perfect logic, Ravi. Okay. Right. Success story. I did not. I think I already shown you some success stories, guys. I mean, recently, Adim, I got a success story from Adim. Did I show you Adim mail? Adim Sheikh mail. I did not show you Adim mail. This guy placed in 2 companies with a package of 4.9 and 5.2. See, recently, I mean, 2 days back, I think I got this mail. 2 days back, 2 days back. And the best part is, he's not from IT. He's from electrical background. And I requested him to send the interview questions. So once he had sent me the interview questions, I'll try to show you those questions, guys. Okay. And guys, again, I'm saying you, kindly please, guys, please, don't miss tomorrow's class. Okay. All right, guys. All right. So that's it, guys. That's it for today. Raghava, sir, can you please? Okay, what is the question?